Yo, what's up, you fucking retards? Let's, do a Q&A while playing Splatoon at full volume. Oh, 10 times battle. Ooh! Nice. Q&A. Dizubius says epic. Thanks. On my, Fortnite video. Let's play. 10 times battle. Awesome. I can't hear anything. If you have a Diddy, like that, stupid, music thing that's like, you put the lyrics to a song and it makes, that song have the lyrics you gave it. I made one of those and I made, a few, things, and they were terrible. So that was it for the Q&A. I could only find one since I'm in a match now. And also my friend, commented, Soken Eyes, I'll give him a... No, okay. I thought it was fuck. Communication error for a second, but, I guess most of my fingers died, so... Can you hear me? Because I can't hear you. Okay. Brush. Two brush. One brush, two brush, dead brush, no, two brush, dead dynamo roller. We're getting whooped. If you don't know how most of Splatoon works, I'm playing against a bunch of random people that I do not know, and we have no form of communication. God damn it. And, we're getting completely whooped since we cannot talk to each other. And it's also Halloween themed since it's almost Halloween. Also I have to scream because of the volume. It's really loud, and I died again. I am terrible, especially against dualies since my weapon's so slow, and my voice hurts from screaming because I have to scream for you guys to be able to hear me. I don't know why I did this again. You heard right, I said again, I did this once before, but it ended early for some reason, so I have to do it again. You guys probably can hear me better than I can hear me, and I'm just screaming way too loud for no reason. Oh, I actually killed him with someone with that. Nice. Uh-oh. Don't want one of those out here. That's right. Oh, that really hurt. Silence for a little bit. Come on. Yeah! Did I just take the camera? I'm sorry. Okay, that means time for more Q&A on my videos. Soap and Eyes says, I don't know why, this is my favorite video. To also, when you ask for the Fortnite burger at McDonald's. And let's look at my first video. Leaked sex tape, OMG, Boss Baby, ate my ass in Minecraft. No comments. Yeah. And how it, closed captions. How it be. Ooh. At 024, you can see that he doesn't open his door. Also by Soap and Eyes. My most retarded video, Squirt. One comment, but I can't get to it because it won't let me. So let's try again. Nope, can't get to it. That's all the Q&A for today. Also, I'm gonna end this video since I only have 2 minutes left of recording, and this is shitty.